Hello, and welcome back to another nail video. And in honor of Black History Month, we are doing some Black History nails, and I am so excited. I can't wait for you all to see how this set turned out. But starting off, I am using the Madam Glam's base coat, and I'm applying just a very thin layer to each nail, and I'm going to cure these nails for 30 seconds. And these are the full cover short coffin tips, and they are by the brand Maniology, and I will leave a link in the description box below for these tips as well as everything used in today's video. And once those nails are cured, I am using this color. It's a light tan color, P05 by the brand Air Braid. And I'm just applying a very thin layer of this polish. I'm going to be painting my first finger, my middle finger, and my pinky finger. And so for today's Black History set, I was going for different nude shades and different colors of brown, so that's why you'll see the different color tones that I'm using in this video. But I do love this color. It turned out super cute. Off camera, I am going to do another thin layer so that it's 2 layers in total. And next, I'm using this dark brown color, B22 by the brand Critio, and I'm applying a thin layer of this brown to my ring finger and my thumb. And these are the nails after the second coat. Next, I am using my short striper brush in that same tan color that I painted my first finger. And I am just writing the word queen on my ring finger because yes, we are all queens over here. I actually saw a similar design on Pinterest, and so I decided to kind of incorporate in today's set, and I'm so glad I did. So I started off just creating a nice outline for myself. I drew the first letter and the last letter just so I would make sure that I had enough space in between to complete the entire word. And then I just go back and take my time to create the letters that spell out queen. And I go ahead and cure the nails after each design so that I don't mess up my beautiful nail art. Next, I am moving on to my first finger, and I'm using my striper brush and that deep brown color to create kind of like tribal nail art. So that's what I decided to do on my first finger and a little on my pinky finger. It is gonna still be tribal nail art, but just a little different. And last but not least, on my middle finger, I wanted to do an outline of a woman, just kind of like her face. And I'm not going to lie, I was a little intimidated initially because I was like, man, this looks pretty difficult. But I am so glad that I pushed through and decided to test my limits because this design turned out so cute. I just take my time and create an outline of her face before I fill it in with the same brown polish, and then add a few details after that. And these are how the nails turned out. Off camera, I applied a very thin layer of the Madam Glam's top coat, and these nails are so cute. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next nail video.